Alright, everybody. SoCal Sports Card breaks with a box of 2007 Triple Threads football. Here's the names. Everybody got. Gonna do this looks like this. 2007 football. Looking for an AP. Or that card right there. That's the card we want. The cover card. Something nice. Something nice. 2007 Triple Threads. Here we go. First pack. Alright, guys. Jamal Lewis, numbered to 639. Champ Bailey, numbered to 199. Troy Aikman, numbered 11 of 1449. Torrey Holt for the Rams, numbered 500 of 1449. Roy Williams for the Lions, and the hit. It's 49ers. Going to Texas. It's a wide receiver. Oh, nasty. Oh my gosh. 15 of 25. Jerry Rice. 3-color. Oh, I'm sorry. Jason Hill. I thought it was a Jerry Rice. I am so sorry, guys. It's a Jason Hill 3-color 15 of 25. Getting way ahead of myself. That blocked a 0. That's not Jerry Rice. That's Jason Hill. I'm sorry, guys. I am super sorry, but it is a 49er. Dang, I pumped everybody up for nothing. Yeah, I pumped everybody up for nothing, man. I'm sorry. Jason Hill, 15 of 25, 49ers. It's the auto. Sorry, guys. It is nice, though. 3 colors. Numbered to 25. Yeah, stupid thing won't focus. Sorry, Texas. You got the hit, though. You called the 49ers. You got the hit. Let's see what kind of a patch they got in store for us. I'm sorry, guys. Everybody's gonna make fun of me now. Yeah, I'm fired. Shit. I saw wide receiver, and I saw that it was partially covered, man. I was thinking, man, I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'll make it up. Alright, for the Rams, Torrey Holt to 639. Carnell Williams to 99. Steven Jackson to 1499. Brian Westbrook 1449. Chicago Bears Peyton 652, 1449. And the hit. Eric Dickerson, running back, number 9 of 9. Going to the Rams. Going to Texas. It's a Texas box. Texas Soch 09. Oh, I'm sorry. The other one went to TCA. That went to TCA Flynn. This one's going to Texas. I'm all messed up. Number 9 of 9. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I caught it. I got all mixed up with the trade, man. So this one goes to TCA, number 25, and this one goes to Texas, number 9 of 9. It's 2 colors. Alright, guys.